Hey everyone, it's Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. I'm a bit delayed, but it's finally iPhone 17 unboxing day. I spoke in my previous video why I chose the 17 over the 17 Pro or the Air, and I'm excited to test this one out. 17 Pro has absolutely everything, and it truly has pro features. The Air is new and innovative, the design is fantastic with some compromises. 17 though, and I picked it up in black, is the best value device on the market currently for a new device. Granted, you can buy previous years, you can buy pre-owned, whatever it is, but for a new device, iPhone killed it for value, and that's what I want to focus on, bringing value to you guys. So let's get to unboxing. So I picked up the iPhone 17 in black. Honestly, I was hoping that the Pro version would come in a black color, but I was underwhelmed by the Pro's colors. I know the orange is popular. I'm not a fan of how the two-tone look is on those devices. Although I do like the design, I just don't like the colors. So that's another pro, no pun intended, for getting the regular 17. A lot of great colors for the 17. Sage was a close second, but this just looks classic, so I was excited to pick up the 17 in black. Let's get to unboxing. No need for the jerry-rig everything knife because we got the tested Apple stickers. Let's do a little ASMR. And one more. All right, with that. And there we go. Honestly, this thing looks like a Pro device. It looks so good. I am going to get a screen protector on this right away. I picked one up from Taurus. I do not like micro scratches. I know that it has ceramic shield too, but I can't stand micro scratches, so I'm gonna throw one on anyway, even though it's not as nice in terms of the new anti-reflective display. Over here on the left we have, first of all, this black is fantastic. It's not super smudgy. I can't see really any fingerprints, and it is gorgeous. I'm excited to try the base model. We have the camera control, power button, the standard and ultra wide camera, no telephoto, no LiDAR, action button, volume up and down. I'm gonna throw a screen protector on this and start it up. In the rest of the box, we just have a USB-C to USB-C cable. This device is USB 2.0. It is not USB 3.1, so you do have slower read speeds. But again, that's something that I think is okay to stay at the Pro level devices. If you're just an everyday user, you don't necessarily need to have the fastest data transfer speeds unless you're moving tons of files that are absolutely huge. So it's okay by my book. And we are back. This is the iPhone 17. The Taurus screen protector is installed. Once again, it's just a screen protector that I like. I've had good success with it in the past. It's not sponsored. This device looks fantastic. I am even more excited now to test it out over the Pro than I previously was. I'm excited to see what this is capable of. It may not have as fast a processor, but it's still plenty good. The cameras are still fantastic. It has the same front-facing camera, has all the same capabilities. You're missing out on the vapor chamber cooling, you're missing out on the telephoto and the LiDAR, but at the end of the day, this is a really good device. If you want to see any specific tests or videos, please leave a comment with what you'd like to see. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech, and remember, life's short. Buy tech.